You do not need to wait in these crazy long lines for food at Disneyland. In fact, it's actually really easy to skip these lines, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Hello, I am Lindsay, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to mobile order your food at the Disneyland Resort. It's actually really easy, and all those crazy long lines that you just saw, you're going to skip all of that. So there's no need to wait in these long lines. Sometimes I walk by and I see people in these super long lines to order food, and I just want to be like, mobile order your food, because you don't need to wait in these long lines to get your food. So I'm going to show you how at a lot of the restaurants, the quick service restaurants at Disneyland and Disney California Adventure Park, you can skip the lines and mobile order. So let's get right into it. Okay, so start by opening up the Disneyland app, and in the very bottom on the home screen, there's a little plus sign. You're gonna tap that plus sign and a list of pop-up items will come up and you're gonna hit order food. So the first thing you wanna do is make sure that you're in the correct park to order the food. So where it says the park, you can tap on that and select either Disneyland, California Adventure Park, Downtown Disney, or the Disneyland Hotel. Those are all 4 different places that you can order food from, 4 general places that you can order food from. So make sure you tap on the right location. And then as you're scrolling through, when you find the restaurant you want to eat at, go ahead and tap that restaurant, and then you will have a list of times. So at the top, there'll be a bunch of different times. So pick the time frame that you want to pick up your food. Once you tap that time, it's going to take you to the menu. Once you've added in all the items that you want to order, at the very bottom is a blue bar that says view my order. Tap that button. Then once you're on that screen, you will see a list of everything that you have put in your cart, so to speak. And if that is all ready to go, hit review order summary. Then you're almost done. You haven't placed your order yet. On that final screen there, it's going to again have a list of everything that you've ordered. It's going to have your time and when you can return to pick up that food. Make sure that's correct and what you want. And then scroll to the bottom and then you will find your payment options. And then once you're done paying, you'll have a screen that looks like this. Now, for the time being, you are done. You've mobile ordered your food. But what I want to say is if you put in for a future time and then that time doesn't work out for you, let me show you how to get back to this screen so that if you need to change your pickup time or cancel your order, you can do that. So let's back up a few steps here just so I can show you how to do that. So then when you go back to your home screen, in the very bottom corner, bottom right, there's a little hamburger icon, little 3 vertical lines. Click that and then scroll down to mobile food orders. Once you tap that, you'll have a list of all your food orders. Go ahead and click view my order details. Now this is where we get back to that original screen that we saw once we placed our order. So now at this point, if you need to change or cancel, you can do that very easily from this point. So if you want to change, go ahead and hit change my arrival window. And then from there at the top, you'll see all the times that you can select from. So go ahead and select a better time that works for you. And then it will save that new time. And then same thing, if you go back and you want to cancel, just hit cancel and then you can cancel your order. Now you're ready to get your food. It's time for you to pick up your food. So you might get a pop-up on your phone that tells you that your arrival window is coming up. You can tap on that pop-up, or if you don't get that, or if you missed it, or you're clicked out of it, just go back to your home screen and click on that little hamburger icon, click on the mobile food orders, and then it'll say, I'm here, prepare my order. So when you're ready or when you're close to your location, hit I'm here, prepare my order. And once you do that, you will have kind of like a little status bar that tells you how close you are to getting your food. And then when it is ready, the screen will appear blue and it'll tell you which window to go to pick up your food. Now, the great thing about this is there is almost always 0 people in line for the mobile order pickup. So you are skipping and saving so much time by mobile ordering your food. Sometimes I walk right up and I grab my food and I'm looking at people, there's like 20, 25 people in line waiting to order food. When I did that, when I was standing in line for a ride with my kids, and then we just waltzed right in and picked up our food. It's a huge time saver. Make sure you mobile order your food wherever it's available. It will save you so much time and help you maximize your time in the park. Thank you so much for watching. If you found that video helpful, please like, subscribe, share with somebody who may need to know how to mobile order at Disneyland. And I will see you in my next video. Don't forget, I have a ton of videos on Disney tips right here in this playlist, so check that out.